I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to delete Telegram account. For that, open up your Telegram app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on your top left. Now go to settings. After that, scroll down and under help section you'll see the option of Telegram FAQ. Tap on it. Again scroll down and under your account there you'll see delete your Telegram account. Tap on it. Then tap on deactivation page in order to access the link. To receive a confirmation code, enter your country code and your phone number. Now select next and enter your confirmation code. After that, you'll receive a message from Telegram. Open up the message, copy the login code and then paste it. After you are done, tap on sign in. After you tap on sign in, you'll land on this page and then you'll have to select delete account. Enter the reason why you want to delete your account and then tap on delete my account. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you are sure you want to delete your account. Tap on yes, delete my account. This is how you delete your Telegram account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.